Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a post on YouTube mobile app. It's very easy. First you can open your YouTube app and then go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. After that, as you can see, there is post tab. You can click it and you can just click share a sneak post of your next video. And now you can just make your post like this, for example like this. After that, you can just click pause in the top right corner. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.